The action camera game has just changed. Big time. GoPro has officially dropped the GoPro Max 2, and this isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a 360-degree action camera can do. We're talking replaceable lenses so scratches are no longer the end of your camera, mind-blowing 8K video capture that lets you crop into flawless 4K from any angle, and stabilization so smooth it feels like you're using a gimbal, even when you're not. Add in smarter AI tools, next-level audio, and longer battery life, and you've got a camera that's built to dominate 2025. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the GoPro Max 2, and trust me, if you're a creator, adventurer, or filmmaker, you're going to want to see what this little beast can do. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The action camera world has always been defined by constant innovation, and if there is one brand that embodies the spirit, it is GoPro. From its humble beginnings as a compact camera for surfers to becoming the global leader in action and 360-degree cameras, GoPro has consistently pushed the limits of what tiny, rugged devices can achieve. But in recent years, competition has grown fierce. DJI, Insta360, and even smartphone manufacturers have stepped into the field, forcing GoPro to continuously reinvent itself. Now, in 2025, the company has unveiled what might be its most exciting leap forward in years, the GoPro Max 2. And it isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a bold reimagining of what a 360-degree action camera can be. With replaceable lenses, stunning 8K video recording, and a host of new features, the GoPro Max 2 is shaping up to be the must-have device for creators, adventurers, and filmmakers alike. To understand the magnitude of the GoPro Max 2, we first need to look back at its predecessor, the original GoPro Max. That camera was launched with the promise of combining traditional GoPro toughness with immersive 360-degree capture. It was revolutionary in its own way, allowing creators to reframe shots after the fact, capture spherical perspectives, and use features like Max Hypersmooth stabilization. Yet, for all its innovation, the Max had some limitations. The fixed lenses meant that scratches were permanent, the video resolution capped at 5.6K, and creators often wished for more flexibility in professional workflows. GoPro listened closely to its community, and the Max 2 feels like a direct response to those demands. It keeps everything people loved about the Max while addressing the pain points in spectacular fashion. One of the headline features that has instantly caught the attention of both professionals and casual users is the introduction of replaceable lenses. For years, GoPro cameras have been praised for their ruggedness but criticized for their vulnerability to scratches on the lens. With the Max 2, GoPro has solved this issue by allowing users to swap out the lenses easily. Whether you want to replace a damaged lens or upgrade to a specialty lens, like an ultra-wide or low-light optimized module, you now have that flexibility. This feature alone dramatically extends the life of the camera and transforms it into a more versatile tool. For professionals who push their gear to the extreme in snow, sand, water, or rocky environments, this is a true game changer. It's not just about protection, it's about customization, giving users the power to adapt the Max 2 to their shooting style. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The GoPro Max 2 introduces 8K video recording,